It's about 9 o'clock. I'm just getting ready. Today is a big day because I'm dropping the camper off. I'm just setting up my pack because I'm going to go camping and hiking. I'm living in nothing but my truck for the next little while. So I want to bring certain things. I'm charging up my battery bank. I'm going to use my Blue Eddy. I don't think I'm going to have a generator, but I'll be able to plug it into the truck. So that'll give me power. I need my cameras, my tents, my guitar. I guess I'll keep that here. I got to throw everything out that's perishable. I don't want to come back to something that's rotten and stinky. So, yeah, I'm kind of busy right now. Okay, we're off. I don't have time to go dump the tanks, so I'm just gonna go straight there. Gives me time. I don't like feeling rushed. So what'd you think of that place? Not bad, eh? On a lake. It was fun sitting out. We sat out last night till like 11 o'clock, just talking, and I had a glass of wine. Yeah, it was fun. That was fun. I give that one, definitely give that one a 10 out of 10. I guess that means I'm gonna skip stopping for coffee too. I gotta go. Can't afford to put myself behind any further. Okay, so I'm here. Wow, busy place. I'm trying to get to where they want me to go. They want me to go in the yard and drop the camper. Well, I've never dropped the camper before. So let's go over and see what they want. He said he's gonna meet me over there. Oh, it's hard to steer with one hand. Okay, I was supposed to meet him here. I don't know where he got to. Look at that one up there. I have never seen those ones. Ooh, I gotta go see this. Okay, so we dropped it off. It's July the 8th. I'm probably going to be all of a week. So I got to figure out something. Now, for the next 5 days, I am at Harvest Hosts, but I have nowhere to really sleep except just inside this truck. And if it's not going to rain, it's fine. It's not really a big deal. I can always just set up a sleeping pad in the back and sleep under the stars. Let the mosquitoes bite me to death. That should be fun. But we'll see. I don't know. Wow, the truck handles so differently. It's like, it's all over. It's bumping around. It's not so smooth and like I'm used to. Looks like we're gonna get some rain. Getting a few drops on the windshield, and it's looking pretty dark. Who knows, it might cool things off a bit or make them more humid. Not sure which. They have a trailer right here. A Jayco. I guess I'll go knock on the front door here.
The pop-up and then the hybrid, and now we're that.
I think it's a journey. I think we all kind of have our little thing that we do.
You could set up around. We were on holiday.
This is nice.
Tons of turtles.
Okay.
They are snapping turtles and painted turtles.
Okay, I know what snapping are. I don't know what painted are.
These are the cute ones.
Okay.
This big, and you'll see them everywhere.
Oh, wow.
Let's go out that way, and you can go to the left, you can go to the right.
Okay, I'm all settled in. Got my tent up, as you can see behind. I used the Lanshan this time. I didn't go with the duplex. I feel like the duplex is something I'd rather just use when I'm on a through hike. Otherwise, use the cheap one. So it's good enough. Truck looks different without the camper on today. One last little look at my place. Nice, eh? Good morning. Well, it's time to leave and go to the campsite. But I am a mess. My back, and I mean not just the lower back anymore, the whole thing. I'm having a hard time getting up from the ground, etc. Yeah, anyways, I'm just getting torn down, packing everything up, and then we're gonna head out. I gotta pee real bad. I gotta find a donut shop or something, because I don't pee here. I don't want to intrude on them. Normally I would have my rig here, but that's not their fault. That's my own. So anyways, let's get her done and get out of Dodge. Okay, we're home. This is it. What's this little trail? Does this go to the water? And you can rent kayaks and canoes. Oh, there's a hiking trail. Okay, I love this. Hiking trail all along the water. There's people out there with kayaks out on the river. This is a river, not a lake. So now I need to make sure that I'm in a spot that gives me some shade. I like shade for sleeping in the morning if I want to. Okay, I'm all settled in. Actually had a little nap. But I'm just gonna walk around and see what I can find. Looks pretty cool here. Spots are kind of snug for a bigger, bigger rig. But for small ones, like mine, very nice. With my discount, I paid, I think it was $30 a night to be here. So that's not bad. Ooh, bathroom. Gotta go. Okay, these sites, you can get bigger ones. Oh yeah. You could get two small rigs in here, a big one like this one. Look at this. 20 some odd footer. Very nice. I see water down here. I want to check it out. Little picnic area here. Very nice. And that's a nice spot to be in. What number is that? I should remember that for next time. 167. Best spot in the place. I see some docks over there. Interesting. I wonder if people swim in this. I could have just come straight down there. That takes me right back to I think this is the beach over here. Let's go check it out. All I can smell is steak. Everybody's cooking. It's dinner time. Not me though. I'm going to try and fast as long as I can. Oh, I got a boat launch and a little picnic area. Oh, look at this. Are we allowed to take canoes out? Wouldn't that be fun? I should go to the office and see if I can rent one. It's a floating dock. Oh yeah, floating for sure. They're the best kind, actually. There's the beach. Way down there. I could probably walk down there. I wonder how long this trail goes. That might be something to do too. very pretty along the water and very well maintained. As trails go, this is about as good as it gets. Oh, that's me. That was quick. I was looking at it and saying, hey, that looks familiar. And sure enough, it is. I just picked up one of these little insect mosquito repellent things. Seems to work okay so far. The problem with living on your truck is it's difficult to find ways to cook food. So I'm gonna go into town, I guess, and get something to eat. That's all I can do. This is gonna cost a lot of money, I can tell right now. Okay, so the first stop is I'm gonna do a couple things in town first. Right now I'm sitting here waiting to get an oil change. I just rather do it sooner than later. And then I want to go and get a membership at Costco, because I think nomad living on the road, I should take advantage of the deals that Costco has. I have a big freezer, so that, you know, Costco, the thing I hate about Costco is you get all these massive sizes of everything. So like for a single person, it doesn't make sense. But if they sell diesel gas, and I already know they do propane at $18 for a refill, that alone would cover my membership cost. But if I could add gas and propane onto that, it's a no-brainer. Plus I like their $1.50 hot dogs. Wish I had my chainsaw here. I put it in storage over at Daryl's place. Look at this. Man, I could have some fun with this. Damn. Okay, so it's my third night here at Rideau River Provincial Park. And it has been an absolute scorcher. I mean, humidex of 41. It's just wild. I haven't heard anything about the RV yet, about the camper. And today's Saturday, so I might wait till Monday. I dropped it off on Tuesday, so I might wait till Monday or Tuesday. And I've just got the one bundle of wood that I happened to buy because I didn't have my chainsaw or anything. So it is what it is. Let's just enjoy it. Good morning. Oh, I am suffering. I'm telling you, my lower back, and the thing is, I can't just go somewhere to an emergency room. This is becoming an issue. I can't function, that's the problem. Yesterday I tried to walk just up to the bathroom and it was hard. Busy place. Hello. Hello. Okay, back home. And I gotta say, my back is hurting. No question about it. Yikes. I gotta lay down. Somebody's thirsty. It's already recording, boom. Wow. It's already recording. Then I just shut it off. Okay, so it's the last day. Finally my back feels a little better. And I'm going to the next park. Anyways, we got about a half-hour drive. We're supposed to get some rain today. But yeah, it was fun. What did you think? This is a pretty cool campground, and it was quite a nice surprise. This was a last-minute thing. You know, I just thought I have power and stuff. I'm outside more. It's a little different than Harvest Hosts. So we're going on Wednesday back to the Harvest Hosts tour to finish that up, finish videoing that and get that one out. And I just think mixing it up like that was a nice change. It was a nice way of breaking it up a little bit.